the US, a lot of the kitchens, especially in K through 12, they don't have combi ovens, but they're slowly adding them to every kitchen, and it will be the standard to have a combi oven in every kitchen. So the advantage of our machine is truly in the controls. You can walk from what you're traditionally using in your kitchen right now and go into a full-blown combi oven and use it with the controls of just temperature, time, and humidity. I think with training on the machine, you'll find that the fear factor has really been removed. So training in 9 seconds or less, here's how you turn it on, here's how you set the temperature, here's how you set the time, and go. You're able to start using the machine almost instantly. All the confusing stuff that you would traditionally see in a combi oven is peeled away. We've removed one key element that always caused confusion is, where do I start with a combi oven? The key benefit of this machine is basically temperature, time, and humidity. There are no modes to get stuck on. The first thing that you'll notice with the machine is when you turn the temperature knob, the humidity knob changes automatically. There's a sweet spot really with all foods in a general sense that the humidity will work at that temperature, so that's what we've chosen. If you feel that you have the need to change the humidity, you can, of course. In any kitchen environment, they're cooking product after product, batch after batch. So in that same scenario, the time setting that is often used, let's say for example 20 minutes, it'll recall that 20 minutes and start again after you shut the door. In a K through 12 environment, the kids are truly eating with their eyes first. So making sure that every product, every tray in the oven, making the product come out as even as possible in the baked results is really important. Oftentimes in the kitchen, an operator using the traditional equipment that they have, they rotate the trays halfway through the cooking process to try and get an even result. With our combi oven and the auto reversing fan, they won't have to do that. They'll get an even result every time. The real benefit is that it works. They can just walk up to the machine and cook in it and get a result that's better than what they're getting right now. Take advantage of the combi oven.